this point, you're probably using a digital curriculum of some sort. You're also probably creating lessons using other digital tools and strategies as well. And you might be in the market for a tool which allows you to bring your lessons together in a way that doesn't add hours to your planning while giving your learners the option to work at their own pace. Then I have a tool for you. I'm Mike Lang, Chief Innovative Program Officer at ed.Xtraordinary, and this is our playground. Today we're going to play with Poptake, and Poptake is a tool which allows you to record your instruction, add text and links to your favorite tools, and share to your learning management system without all the complication. Poptake gives instructors the opportunity to build lessons that allow learners to proceed at their own pace using the tools you already use. Poptake can be accessed by using your Google credentials. Use the New Lesson button to start creating. The Add Activity button allows you to add familiar tools. You might use the text options to add your standards, objectives, and directions for your learners, for example. The feature that is the most powerful for educators is the ability to add recordings without the need to use any other tools. You can record using the camera or upload Google Slides, for example, so you can narrate content for your learners. Add your favorite digital tools using the Embed function. Say you'd like to add a Nearpod lesson. Use the Student Pace option and copy the link. Return to your Poptake, add activity, and click Embed. Now, paste the link. You could even move the activity where you like. This even works with tools like Flip. Poptake can also help you build content in your Canvas learning management system. Choose your page type, and add the embed code to the page. Now, instead of adding multiple pages, one Poptake can do the trick. Sign up to test drive Poptake at poptake.tv and access our guide for suggestions for using Poptake in your classroom. For more tools, strategies, and ideas, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. We'll catch you next time.